The urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Richland County, southwestern Medina County in northeastern Ohio, Ashland County, Wayne County in northeastern Ohio, southwestern Lorain County, northwestern Holmes County in northeastern Ohio, until 1:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Savannah to near Ashland to 7 miles west of Loudonville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Intact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Worcester, Ashland, Orville, Lodi, Loudonville, New London, Creston, Shreve, West Salem, Chippewa Lake, Hayesville, Savannah, Holmesville, Polk, Sullivan, Seville, Smithville, Apple Creek, Westfield Center and Spencer. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Holmes, Lorain, Medina, Richland and Wayne.